Hello viewers, this is Kamal from A1 Studio. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how I created this 3D, colorful, O-letter logo design in Adobe Illustrator. First, open Adobe Illustrator software. Then create a new artboard with a brand name and specified size. Click on the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Make the circle a fill color and press Ctrl+C to copy the circle. Then again, press Ctrl+F to paste in the font. Then make the circle smaller. Cut out the inner part of the circle with the Shape Builder tool. Next, take the copied circle and replace the top and bottom of the circle to the correct size. Similarly, copy those two circles and rotate them left and right. Then find and merge for specific parts with the Shape Builder tool. Alright, our basic layout is completed. Now again, copy the circle and replace it with the center of the shape. Then split the two sides with the Shape Builder tool. To make the design more beautiful, we are adding shadows and highlights with the Pan tool. Now take a closer look. Take two guides to find the center position of the circle. Now take the Rotate tool and center the point. Double-click on it, type 360°/4 and press the Copy button. Then press Ctrl+D 3 times. Here you can see the magic. Our designed main part is replaced in the right place in 4 parts around the circle. The last step is to add the gradient color on our design. I am applying 4 colors as per my choice. You can apply any color as you want. Alright friends, our O-letter 3D logo design is completed. Now I am gonna add the brand name on it. Dear viewers, our design is perfectly done. If you need premium quality, meaningful, memorable logo design or brand identity design, don't forget to contact me. I will transform your dream design into reality.